this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache of the apps on your Android phone. So if it's not working, just go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down and you can find it under apps. So let's go to apps. Now choose the application you're having an issue with. So let's just scroll on down and let's just choose Facebook for example. Then locate storage under here. So you can find it under storage, here it is. And the option for clear the cache is on the bottom right. So we can just tap this. And you can see under here the cache is now 0. Now if you want to go ahead and clear the data right here, you can also. But just a heads up, this will probably sign you out of your account and you're going to have to sign back in. So clear the cache first, open up the app and see if it works. Then you can try clearing the data too. The app data, including files, settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. And you'll probably be logged out. So just clear the cache and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.